boy, see that shit? It's 5:56 a.m. Yeah. Yeah. This is called dedication. A lot of people don't know what that's called, but that's called dedication. We're out here. Kay's practicing her dance. We're about to do it at sunrise. We do a little shoot out here at sunrise. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, y'all see what it is, bro. Y'all can't really see what it is, but y'all know what it is.
It gotta be a better way to get this cheese, huh? Dirty money, clean my problems, hit me if you need some. You could get it 2 for 10, got you if you need one. No coincidence, they only hit me when they need some. Your nigga wanna be a baller, can't be no rerun. Nigga, once it leave my hand, you can't get no refund. Tryna little boy, nigga, I might have to tweet some. Playing with them keys, I might fall around and delete some. Them niggas wanna be a shot caller until them shots call ya. A nigga only live once, so I might raw dog. Stick it in the pelvis, gotta call me a father.
I missed that. I'm a real bucket getter.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? 20 bowls on the it went by 10. Bro, hit my phone, you know I'm trying to spin. 20 bowls on the line, I told my brother, bring it in. Living in the lion's den. Every day I'm trying to win. I pray to God, forget my sins. He know I'm thugging to the end. It went by 10. Bro, hit my phone, you know I'm trying to spin. 20 bowls on the line.
Y'all gonna see what it is in a minute once the light, gets better. But there's a backlight behind her. See how the backlight? This is how she's gonna look. She's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like a silhouette vibe. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You sound like I'm fake filming her, but this shit looks cool. Yeah. Boom. Oh yeah. It's gonna be hard. So hopefully the sun comes up on this side. If it doesn't, we're gonna make something work. Regardless. Alrighty.
Like a nigga take off and ride this shit. Yeah, I'm coming like that. And now free my nigga Rich P. Watch it, bitch, don't watch me. BB had to do it to him. You heard that? Hey, now listen up, man. I feel like this.
Can't say you don't be on my mind, but I'm on my business. Can't lie, I treat them all the same, so don't be offended. How we go from sneaking, linking up to tripping by some bitches. Might be sliding with a fire today, depending on how I'm feeling. Baby, tell me why you pressed about some shit you can't be. One time just ain't enough for you to change a real P. Matter of fact, I think you lucked up when I put you on the team. I'ma try to show you love before I try to sell you drinks. You wanna know why I be sliding? But I bet if she was riding, she'll leave me alone. And then she asked me about my timing. But I bet I put her in some diamonds, she'll leave me alone. And then she call me toxic. But I bet I take her to the tropics, she'll leave me alone. And then she say it's now or never. But I bet I promise her forever, she'll leave me alone.
If I was standing on that business, she'll leave me alone. Sometimes I get deep in my feelings, but I love you strong. I keep my distance way I'm living, some might say it's wrong. But I forever turn you up if you start feeling low.
That shit looks so lit. What are you thinking? But like, yeah, it's the literal silhouette. Cause yeah, we covered that light, so now it looks a lot better. Before it was like confusing the camera, because the camera's like, do you want to be lit or do you not want to be lit? What do you think about your dancing? See, that shit was hard.
Two more times, but that's the one. 2 more times.
When you do this one, exaggerate it more. Oh, okay, because you was like, isn't it lovely?
Oh,
yeah, for the isn't it lovely, or away from your body. Because right here, it looks like it blends in with your shadow a little bit. Yeah, like if you come out and then come slow, I like that. Because then it'll look like, oh shit, and maybe like even look at it.
I'll
like,
try to remember.
Huh?
I'll try to remember.
Try, yeah, of course, but like, I'm just thinking about the silhouette. Like, the more space and things you make away from your body, the more it'll look more, what's it called? Oh, no you didn't. No the fuck you didn't. No you didn't. Yeah, man. You guys already know what it is. We're out here making silhouette photos, man. Boom, bow. Y'all saw how early we was here. I showed it, date stamped it, and time stamped per, and you saw my Cash App. So if you want to send me a little something, spend some. But we're here and we're doing some silhouette images, guys. The first thing you want to do is when doing like silhouette photos, you want to make sure to have your ISO at 100. I feel like everybody's camera can go to ISO 100, and then you want to make sure to have your shutter speed. If your ISO can go lower than 100, then go lower than 100 because you want the least amount of noise possible. But mine can go to 80, so I'm going to be at 100 because you guys, I'm pretty sure it can only go like, you know, to 100 because some of you guys don't have cameras that can like, you know, go that low sometimes. So I'm trying to like, you know, appease the masses, right? I have my camera also on high speed, so basically on multiple shots, and then drive mode is continuous shooting, basically is what it's called. So continuous shooting instead of single shooting. I'm shooting on a Sony a7S III for everybody that asks. I have a 24-70 Sigma lens, and it's at f2.8 currently, but I'm gonna move it up, so I'm gonna go to f5 flat. I have 1000 shutter. I'm gonna see what kind of photos come out of here right now. First thing you wanna do is always expose for the background, so look at the background and see if you can see the sun. Look at that and see if you can fully depict what the sun is, and then place your model into that scenario and just see how that looks. So just stand right there for me. Let me see. Bless you. Let's see. Boom. Let's see. So we can see, but we can't see that much. So we're gonna go ahead and go down on our F a little bit more to 5. So now I can see even better. And also when you guys are doing this, you wanna make sure that you have your model posed in poses that have light leaks. So for example, if I have her doing this with her hand, you can see that right here in the right through the shoulder is gonna be a light leak where light is gonna come through. Right here in her leg also as well is gonna be a light leak where light is able to come through. So you wanna make sure that there's space like that, because they're just standing still like this. It's gonna be like, what the fuck, is that a totem pole? Or is that like a garbage can? They're not gonna know what that is. So make it be known that it's a human. Have them do some things that are like human-like or are not unhuman-like. You know what I'm saying? So that way it looks like you're actually taking pictures of a human, right? So as you guys can see, we're here at a resort. We did all of this just for you guys, early as shit in the morning. But we're also kind of trespassing at the same time. But it's okay. You know, things happen and you gotta do what you gotta do for your shot. Ooh, that's the next reel. Sneaking into a resort for a photo shoot. Hell yeah. What? No games, boy. All right, bet. So we're gonna go ahead and take these right now. Also, make sure that you wanna get a low angle. If you get a low angle, you're able to like see more of the sky. And there's also water in here too, so it's gonna help reflect that sunlight. If you can see the sun rays, it's hitting the water and it's stretching out. So we're gonna go ahead and catch that as well. Boom. The lower you get, the more of the person that you can get in focus. So you wanna get as low as possible, you guys. As low as possible. As low as possible. There we go. There we go. So literally now for the next one, what I kind of want is I kind of want you like out like that. Like add some more curve in that bit. There you go. Yeah, like that. There you go. Hold. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Head back a little bit more. Yeah, boom. There we go. Hold. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. So you guys can see all those silhouetted images. Always make sure that they're like reaching or doing something away from their body, so that way you can see that, okay, this is a human, right? I'm gonna have Kay now come and put her leg right here, and I kind of want you to go like this. And I want you to spread those fingers. I want to see your fingers through, you know what I'm saying, your finger shadows. So we're gonna go ahead and do that one, you guys, so you can see how that's coming out. Oh shit. I can't even see it because of the sun.
My body doesn't move like that.
It's just like, you're a dancer, you dance, so you should like be able to like, oh, you throwing gang signs. There you go, hold it. 3, 2, 1. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Always play with different angles, you guys. You never want to get the same boring ass angle. Try to get as much different stuff as you can. See, like I'm getting low, medium, high. See, like I got right now, I can tell this is a human. I see every body part. I have the light and the sun leaking through her leg. There you go. So it's like able to really show. And then turn towards the sun and put both of your hands up, like to your hair. Nah, put them on top of your hair. Like that, yeah, there we go. Open up your elbows more. There you go, yep. Hold, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. You guys can see the light leaks. You guys see the light leaks. 2, 1, 2, 1. Bet. Yeah. So, nice little short little video today, you guys, but only because the sun only lasts for so damn long, and then when you're playing with silhouettes, how many photos are you gonna take? You know what I mean? Like, you're gonna get the same shit over and over again. But yeah, so if you guys like this, let me know. Like, I'll do more little videos like this. If you guys want me to keep them short, I'll do that as well. You know what I'm saying? You know, I ain't gonna argue with you if you want to see a shorter video. But yeah, man, it's kind of a vibe out here. We gotta leave before the guards come. But yeah, apparently, like, you know, somebody here tipped us off and told us that they're supposed to be like, you know, on duty at 8. So we'll see when that happens. But I'm about to go ahead and knock on out of here. It's currently 7:30, you guys. I love you guys. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. A whole lot of gas. Today's the last day of the challenge. That's what I meant to say. Today is the last day of the challenge. I love y'all. You guys have been sticking it out. It's been lit, you know what I'm saying? It's been a fun run. So let me know if you guys want to see more of these. If you made it to day 7, you're a legend, you know what I mean? And if you haven't made it to day 7, go back and make it to day 7. So go back to day 1, watch it throughout. They're numbered, you know what I'm saying? It's on the thumbnail. It says day 1, day 2, all the way. So they're numbered. Go back, watch them in order, so that way you can like get a free good feel of them in order. If you guys want to see more series like this, let me know. I got some more coming up, some more heat. I've been thinking some different stuff, some different like, you know, connecting with some different people and seeing what type of things I could do. I might take this to traveling, you know what I'm saying? If this series is good, I'll travel with it. You know, just let me know. I'll go stay a week some places, you know what I'm saying? Maybe bring K, you know? And let me know, you know, fan funded. Like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all paying for it. But let me know, you guys. So until next time.
Taxi.
Yeah.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? 20 bowls on her.